What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode. So every morning I start my day off with a cup of coffee. I've been getting away from energy drinks because they've been making my stomach feel not so good, but today we are going to be tasting and reviewing some coffee, some mushroom coffee, which COFECO sent to me. And there are benefits to drinking mushroom coffee. It's good for your immune system as well as your mind. COFECO sent me two of their flavors. One is the lion's mane mushroom chaga and the lion's mane turkey tail. I've never had mushroom coffee, so it's not like I can compare this company's coffee compared to another, but this is the lion's mane mushroom chaga, and I'm super excited to try out the turkey tail as well. But today we are drinking the lion's mane chaga. First impressions, you can definitely taste the mushroom. Like I said, I've never had mushroom coffee before, so it's not a bad taste. It's an interesting taste, only because I've never had mushroom coffee. I've always drank in the Folgers or however you want to say it, like the original roasts, the dark roasts, the breakfast blends and whatnot. So this is definitely a different taste, but it is a good taste. The neat thing about this product is that, you know, they come in individual little packs, like those individual drink mixes that you pour in a water bottle and shake it up. And, you know, you could do that. I, you know, poured it in, you know, some warm to hot water and just stirred it up. And, you know, if you like your coffee cold, you know, you put some ice in it or whatnot. But you know, if you want to go get some for yourself, you can go to the links that are in the description below, and if you use the promo code mansera30, you can save 30% off. We are going to be doing a little bit of pond fishing using a bait that I have never caught any fish on yet, which is the Googan Squad Scout. Now this is it the silver flash color, I believe. Dives 4 to 6 feet deep. I don't know how deep this pond is, but not too long ago they have drained the water level down. And it was pretty neat because I was able to see the fish beds that were created. I don't know if we were fishing pre-spawn or post-spawn. I'm assuming post-spawn. Working our way toward the windblown bank, which is the south side. I always start myself on the north side because that's closest to the truck. Oh, there has to be a fish that's hungry. Casting right on the edge of those lily pads. Ooh, got one. Oh yeah, let's go, baby. Pitched it right underneath those lily pads right there in that little corner. Had this guy strike, probably super aggressive. All right. Let's go, baby. I've been trying a bunch of different retrieves, like a slow retrieve, a fast retrieve, a reel in, a couple seconds, pause, jerk, just so many different retrieves. I know they're under these lily pads because that's where they like to hide, especially when it gets hot. And at first when I saw it, when I felt it hit, I thought I was just hitting those right in the lily pads. When it first hit the lure, I thought I just hit these hit some rocks, because there's like a small little dirt rock structure, and I thought I just hit a rock. So that is gonna wrap it up for us today. Nice little 20-minute pond fishing session. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's little episode. Thank you all for watching. And until next time, keep fishing on. Peace.